Application of neural network. Neural networks have emerged as a powerful tool in today's technology-driven world, providing unmatched capabilities across various domains. These systems, inspired by the human brain, excel in recognizing patterns, classifying data, and making predictions. Their architecture mimics interconnected neurons, allowing them to learn from vast amounts of data, adapt, and improve performance over time, leading to a revolution in various applications. One of the most significant applications of neural networks lies in the realm of image recognition. By analyzing pixel data, these networks can identify objects, faces, and even intricate details within images. This technology is foundational for advancements in fields like autonomous vehicles, where real-time image analysis is vital for navigation and safety. Moreover, neural networks play a crucial role in facial recognition systems, enhancing security and user verification processes, and transforming how we interact with devices. Another promising application is in natural language processing, NLP, where neural networks enable machines to understand and generate human language. By using powerful algorithms, they can analyze text data, translate languages, and even create chatbots that engage in real conversations. This application has revolutionized customer service, empowering businesses to provide instant support and information to users through automated systems that learn from interactions. In the healthcare sector, neural networks are proving invaluable in diagnosing diseases and predicting patient outcomes. By processing medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, they assist radiologists in identifying anomalies with high accuracy. This capability not only accelerates the diagnostic process, but also significantly enhances the chances of early intervention, ultimately saving lives. Additionally, neural networks are used to analyze patient data, identifying risk factors and personalizing treatment plans, fostering a more efficient healthcare system. The finance industry also benefits substantially from neural networks. They can analyze market trends, assess risks, and make predictions related to stock prices or investment opportunities. Their ability to handle vast data sets allows for real-time monitoring of financial markets, enabling timely decision-making. Fraud detection is another area where neural networks shine, as they can identify unusual patterns and flag potential fraudulent activities, providing an essential layer of security. In conclusion, the applications of neural networks are vast and varied, with significant impacts across multiple sectors. From imaging technology to finance and healthcare, their ability to learn and adapt makes them an invaluable asset in the modern technological landscape. As research and innovation continue, the potential for neural networks to solve complex problems and enhance our daily lives remains limitless.